Hi there, hope you are well. Today I'm going to show you how can you hard block a Windows update using a small app. And if you require, you can restore Windows update easily. So let's start. Just click my start menu and go to Windows 10 setting, go to update and security. First we are checking whether my Windows update is now turned on or not. Note that my PC can run Windows 11, but I don't want to update my PC to Windows 11 at the moment. My PC is up to date. Sometimes updates may have bugs that may make your system unstable, or some updates may enable you to access your network share folder or network shared printer. So I want to stop the updates. That is, I want to hard block my Windows update. So go to browser and log into this ID. This is an app. Stop update 10 is usable from Windows 7 to Windows 11 and also working perfectly in Windows 10. Just click accept and download. That is downloading. I need to unzip it first. Then click on it. Yes. Okay. Next, I accept the license agreement first. Now it is showing that my Windows update is enabled. I can easily disable it by clicking stop Windows update. Windows update has been blocked successfully. Let's see. If I go to Windows update now, something went wrong. Try to reopen settings later. Because they have hard blocked the Windows update. We need to restore Windows update from that app again. Let's click Windows restore Windows update. Now my Windows update has been restored. Note that my PC is able to run Windows 11, but I don't want this at the moment. Now that it is enabled, you are up to date, it is showing. But finally, I don't want to enable the update. I want to disable the update permanently. And if required, I can restore it. I am showing the process how can we disable Windows Update and re-enable Windows Update from this small app very easily and quickly. Just click stop update to disable again. Hope I have successfully demonstrated you how you can do this very easily. If you like this video, please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe and recommend others to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.